So
Yeah, like,
if the
look, I'm gonna tell you what the refrigerator is right there. She got right between the island and the refrigerator and got busy. The camera was only on her.
What?
okay, so when her hands
Yeah,
touched the floor, was her face
walking.
facing the camera or was her ass facing the camera?
Ass was facing big old red pajama ass was facing the camera and wobbled it from the floor back up to the camera, Jack.
And
What was
she had
sticking out of it?
so she had man, nigga, it was ass sticking out.